The new generation dual-mode observation desktop jewelry welding machine is equipped with a new generation of high-energy pulsed laser power supply, self-developed energy-saving and environmental protection, stable and reliable, super cost-effective to solve the problems of small power, large volume, and failing to continuous work for 24 hours for competing desktops. Movable CCD high-definition display for observing directly in front. Is equipped with a dedicated placement table, low maintenance costs, low power consumption, lightweight intelligent color touchscreen, various accident protection, and power failure prompt functions to reduce machine maintenance costs. With dual-mode observation scheme, intuitive weld observation, wide field of vision to alleviate occupational diseases and protect eye. Introducing German high-energy laser lens coating machine with high thickness, high photoelectric conversion rate, and long service life. Looking forward to sharing the splendid